The Internet of Things, IoT, and big data are two interconnected technological phenomena that have significantly transformed various industries and aspects of daily life. Understanding these concepts individually and in relation to each other is crucial for appreciating their impact on the modern world. Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the network of physical objects embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies with the aim of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the Internet. These things can range from everyday household items like refrigerators and thermostats to sophisticated industrial tools and machinery. The primary goal of IoT is to enhance the functionality of these objects, enabling them to communicate, collect, and share data autonomously. IoT devices gather vast amounts of data through various sensors and connectivity solutions, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular networks. This data can then be analyzed to provide insights, automate processes, and improve decision-making. For example, in a smart home, IoT devices can manage energy use by adjusting lighting and temperature based on occupancy patterns, thus saving energy and reducing costs. In healthcare, IoT devices can monitor patient vitals in real time, allowing for more proactive and personalized care. Big data. Big data refers to the massive volumes of structured and unstructured data generated from various sources, including social media, transaction records, sensors, and more. The three key characteristics of big data are often summarized as the three V's: volume, velocity, and variety. Volume refers to the sheer amount of data generated. Velocity denotes the speed at which data is generated and processed. Variety encompasses the different types of data, from text and images to audio and video. The primary challenge with big data lies in effectively processing, storing, and analyzing this information to extract valuable insights. Traditional data processing tools and techniques are often inadequate for handling big data, necessitating the use of advanced analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Intersection of IoT and big data. The intersection of IoT and big data creates a powerful synergy. IoT devices generate enormous amounts of data, which contributes significantly to the pool of big data. This data, when analyzed, can lead to enhanced operational efficiencies, improved customer experiences, and the creation of new business models. For instance, in manufacturing, IoT sensors on equipment can monitor performance and predict failures before they occur. The data collected can be analyzed in real time to optimize maintenance schedules, reducing downtime and saving costs. In smart cities, IoT devices can monitor traffic patterns, air quality, and energy usage, providing data that can be used to enhance urban living conditions. In summary, IoT and big data are fundamentally transforming the way we live and work. IoT provides the data streams necessary for big data analysis, and big data provides the analytical tools to make sense of the vast amounts of data generated by IoT. Together, they enable smarter decision-making, greater efficiency, and more innovative solutions across various sectors.